Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Undile and Ugwenzo. So Undile is some friend of Ugwenzo that rocked up of nowhere, guys, rocked out of nowhere. So they're coming back into Ugwenzo's apartment. They look like they're coming back from a jog. I'm just like, Mamfana, sekahlala kwaGwenzo. Oh, what's going on? Why ingahambi? Anyway, mebengena endlini uKwenzo goes and take water efrijini, and then he gives Undile and he's like, bamba ke. Undile throws himself esofeni. He's like, sure boy, ingathi bowazi ukuthi I needed water. Uwenzo sits down, he takes his phone, he tries to call Usbongile, and Usbongile is not answering the phone, you guys. Uwenzo's like, ish. Yes, Usbongile. He puts the phone down for the fact that he's been trying to get a hold of Usbongile and you can't seem to get a hold of her. Undile's like, hey boy, awuyeke leyo ngane. Le ngane sesikoleni iyafunda. Ufuna yenze njani ke? Ngoba napho kufona wena mele ixhume ingane yeke yonke into. Ukwenza then says ukuthi Ndile lento ayifani noSibongile ukuthi azibe ama-calls ami kanjalo nje. Like I'm worried mfethu. Undile then says vele fanele ukuthi ukhathazeke utshelwa yimina ke. Ukwenza's like uqonda ukuthini ke manje Ndile. Undile goes on to say icabange boy lento. Uyazikhumbula nawe ukuthi esikoleni evasithi ukuthi uba unjani? Ingane that we dated, like amaphathi besiwashaya, hayibo mfethu, like awucabange nawe, awumcabangele nje uSibongile ukuthi naye ke she's enjoying her time. Ukwenza's like, hayi wena musubhedu, uSibongile abafani nalawa amantombazane okhuluma ngawo. Undile's like, we ayi ke. Ukwenza then says futhi ke you don't even know uSibongile ngaleyo ndlela. Undile then says uthi boy, uyambona uSibongile? Ufamjulia lo wakho khohlwa nje seyisukile kudala leyo nto nje clever manje sekaqaphile uyabona ke manje uSibongile. Ukwenza's like yazi wena uyabheda nje, and then Undile's like, if uyangiphikisa ke awuzama umfonele manje ubone ukuthi if uzolibamba yini ucingo lwakho. Then Ukwenza's like, hawu mfethu ngeke alibambe ucingo mhlawumbe ulele, something like that. Undile's like, uyabona ke if I was you ngabe ngiyaphuma kuyo yonke lento nje, yeka uSibongile mnganami siyoshaya i-divorce party yabona. And then Ukwenza's like, ini, like what? And then Undile's like, na ingane utshwala sivele siphile sikhohle ngoSibongile nje. Ukwenza's like, hayibo wena ke, like did you not say ukuthi wena ushadile ufuna uyophuza? What about unkosikazi wakho? Undile's like, hayi khuleka ke mngani wami uzoba right unkosikazi wami, angithi senzela wena. And then the scene ends like this. Guys, I said yesterday ukuthi noNdile angimthandisisi, ushadile that time, like why yenza ma sleep over? Why is he not with his wife in his own house? Next scene, guys, we see Ugwenzo and Uwenzeni and Uvusi. They are sitting at home and they are having a mini meeting among siblings. So Ugwenzo's like, awume, whoa, uthini Wenzeni? Uwenzeni's like, ngithe ugogo nengelosi uyaphila. Ugwenzo's like, hayibo. Uvusi's like, yazi ngifisa ukunitshela ukuthi lento engiyishoyo is lies or yiphupho or something like that. Kodwa ngibone ukuthi mele nginitshele iqiniso. Ukwenza that manje ungani uma asifihlele ngogogo sonke lesi sikhathi. Uvusi's like, hey, angazi Kwenzo. Wenzeni's like, cha, yikuthi nje uma uhlezi nje esitshela ukuthi we must not keep secrets and all of that, mele thina asichazele yindaba esifihlele into enjena. Ukwenza starts laughing, akayikholelwa lento, you guys. He's like, manje ngempela sinogogo thina. Uwenzeni's like, yo, I can't wait ukuthi ngikhulume noma. And then Ukwenzo's like, yazi yonke lento ingikhumbuza ngesikhathi when I was still doing primary school. Bekunogogo osebenza tuck shop and she used to take such good care of me. That made me just wish ukuthi nami I had a grandmother at home that I could go back to after school. Uvusi then says, kungcono ke ukuthi awusafisi unaye ke ugogo, mina ngimbonile. uKwenzo then says no, lento ayifani Vusi, uma stole time from us mfethu. Then uWenzeni is like, ungasho uphinde. uKwenzo then says manje shuthi uzomela sihlale nje kanje samkele le mfihlo singenzi lutho ngayo. uVusi then says mina angisho ukuthi into eyenziwe uma i-right, but angicabangi ukuthi yisikhathi esi-right sokuthi simdinelwe uma. uWewe then says ukuthi yebo yisona. uVusi then says wenzeni asazi kungani uma enze lento ayenzile. uKwenzo then says cha Vusi, uyabona le mfihlo le, it shouldn't be like any other secret that we sweep underneath the rug. Kuzomela ukuthi simconfronte uma. uVusi like so manje wenzo uthi senze njani simbuze. And then uKwenzo's like yeah, kuzomela ukuthi simbuze ukuthi yindaba esiqambela amanga. Then that scene ends like that. Next scene we see uNengelosi and uSamke. They are besties now. They are sitting there kwambalenhle, they are having a conversation. uNengelosi is like kodwa lengane why ingizonda kangaka? Yini le engaka engayenza engasaqoleleki nje? Hayi cha. And then uSamke is like akabuzondi uPhetheni, yukuthi nje understand wena weta ongashintsha lokho ke. uNengelosi is like hayibo, uyamazi ukuthi bekamemeza kanjani la ngaphandle izolo, ememeza njengohlanya etshela wonke umuntu ukuthi mina ngingcolile. uSamke then says ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukuthi imishini yakho yini, yonke lento ayikho ngoPhetheni, imishini yakho abazukulu bakho. uNengelosi then says ukuthi ngizothini-ke isinabo-ke abazukulu bami bengangifuni ngizokwenza njani? Samke ngeke ngona ngiphindele emuva mina. uSamke is like ungahambi. And then ulokhuzana uNengelosi looks at her like ngathi, because uSamke like she almost like she was shouting at her ukuthi angahambi. Uyambona-ke uSamke nezinto zakhe. She's like no, engizama ukuyisho into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi ungahambi. Uyakhumbula ukuthi khona lento owayisho kumina? Wathi wena, wathi kumina Samke, lolu luhambo lamoya. uNengelosi looks at her. She's like, ngasho njalo mina. I'm just laughing there. I was laughing because I was just like, Aibo, that doesn't even sound like uNengelosi. uSamke is just making things up to make sure ukuthi uNengelosi stays behind and she gets the revenge on uPhetheni that she needs to get. So uNengelosi is like, ngasho njalo mina. uSamke is like, yeah, washo kaningi futhi. Ungayikhohlwa lento leyo. Into ngizoqala ngayo ngiyenze ke manje ukuthi ngizokuxhumanisa nomzukulu wakho lo enenhliziyo enhle and futhi lo onomoya ophansi, okay? And then she's like, iphi phone yami? She's looking for her phone, you guys. So next scene we see uSibongile. uSibongile is in her room eVarsity, you guys, and she's sitting nalamantombazana ke that Machichi sisterhood that uSibongile joined. So they're sitting there, they're eating popcorn. You can see they are having like a girls type of conversation, something like that. So the ringleader, the leader of the group, she then says ukuthi mina ngina 22, I'm 22 years old. Vele imizwa nginayo. Kodwa lokho akusho ukuthi ngingavele ngilale nomfana nginikene ngobuntombi bami nje kanjalo. No, ngivele ngilale nomfana. Hayibo, mina ngamtshela nje umuntu wami uMillion ukuthi singenza noma yini, singahamba sizikhiphe or angikhiphe siye emapateni, kodwa mese kufika laphayana ngeke ngivume, angeke angene ngaphakathi. Then the other girls are like, yeah, when they're right in. Then the other girl speaks there. She's like, mina my girls, umuntu wami yey wangincoma ukuthi hayibo islender nje asikhathali unless the owner is tired. Yeah, guys. She goes on to say, hey, wangincenga guys umfana, wangincenga efuna phela ukuthi ngimfakise kancane. And the other girls are like, hey bo, cabanga ini. She goes on to say, kodwa-ke nami, ayibo, bengisengilingekile bandla, bengisengilingekile shame. Then uSibongile is like, manje wagcina wenze njani? Ugel goes on to say ukuthi hayibo ngamnyakela phela ukuthi aphuphe bengingeke nje ngiyenze leyo nto kodwa-ke mengikhuluma iqiniso ngiyayithanda indlela angicenga ngayo however and then everyone laughs there and then ringleader-ke she's like manje wena Sibongile ithini into yakho vele uSibongile's like and then she's like, how? Nasibongile, ungazenzisi ngathi you don't know what we're talking about. Phela we've seen you, nomfana wakho. Then the other girl says ukuthi anikaze nje nithemtheke ukuthi nizizwise kalana nje Sibongile. uSibongile's like, oh hi, no. Ukwenzo mina uyasazi nje isimo sami futhi wangithembisa ukuthi uzongimela. Then the other girl says, hayibo abafana nje abakwazi ukulinda singcono nje thina abantu besimame siyakwazi ukuthi sibekezele. Then the other girl's like manje wena Sibongile bowuzitshela ukuthi abafana bayawazi ukulinda hayibo wena musuzikhatha nje. Everyone laughs. They start laughing at uSibongile and uSibongile is feeling some sort of way to really think ukuthi well ukwenza really waits for her. I'm just like yeah. It was Sibongile and Ukwenzo's relationship this week, guys, is being tested left, right, and center. That side Ukwenzo, Undile is busy whispering lies in his ears. This side, it was Sibongile, bamtshela ukuthi hayibo akunamfana ozokulinda lana. Anyway, next scene, guys, we see uNelly benochilisile. They are KwaDlamini mansion and they walk into the kitchen. When they walk into the kitchen, steam laphayana hayibo guys uPhetheni uzimisele she is cooking there. So uThulisile like madam singakusiza ngamabhodo mhlambi. uPhetheni is like no angidingi usizo. uNelly's like nginakugobela lama-veggie madam or help you with something. uPhetheni is like bukani nje ukuthi amakhekhe wami mahle kanjani niyawabona ngesinye isikhathi umuntu wesifazane must take care of indlu yakhe. And then she's like acela ungidlulisele laphayana please Thulisile. Then uThulisile she passes over whatever uPhetheni is asking her for and she's like thank you. uThulisile benoNelly they are looking at one another because guys they all know ukuthi cooking is not uPhetheni's forte. She doesn't do this every day. So they're like, hayibo, what's the occasion? So anyway, uPhetheni is like, yini, namangana, like what's going on? As she's saying that, uWenzeni benoVusi, they walk into the kitchen. So uWenzeni is like, ma, and then uPhetheni is like, wait, I'll taste the lama cake. Tateli lot and you taste and then uWenzeni takes one cake there and she tastes it. Then uWenzeni is like, kahle ma, besifuna ukubona ugogo ma. And then uPhetheni looks at her and she's like, okay, yini, asweet lama cake ne? Yeah, asweet nyawa. Ngwazwile nami. uVusi is like, ma, besicela ukukhuluma nawe ngendaba kagogo. And then uPhetheni is like, hayi man Vusi, aniyeke ukungibhedela mina, aniyeke ukungifundekele ngalo mama ukhohlakele man. Sis man, she takes him aduke, she just throws it towards uVusi and then she walks out, you guys. Yeah, hey, one thing about uWenzeni guys, she's the last born and she is the 2K able. She does not fear her mother. One thing about uWenzeni. Next scene guys, we see Ukwenzo. He is in his flat, you guys, and he's pressing his laptop. It looks like he's busy with work or something like that when his phone rings. So he answers the phone and he's like, hello. As he answers the phone to umuntu-ke ofonayo is like, sibalikhulu. uWenzo's like, ubani lo ngikhuluma naye? Then the person says, lalela mfana. Ukwenzo loyo? Ugogo lo mntana umntanani. Ayibo unengelosi. Usho ukuthi uSamke gave unengelosi or gave Kwenzo's number to unengelosi. Because remember she said she's going to link them up. Ukwenzo's like, ugogo. And then unengelosi is like, na ugogo. Hey, kwaze wamnandi ukuza ungibiza kanjalo. Ukwenzo's like, gogo nengelosi. Wena lona. unengelosi goes on to say, uqoboni wakhe impela mntanami. Ukwenzayo ukuphi gogo? Ngiqonda ukuthi ula eThekwini. Unengelosi is like, indaba endeke leyo mntanami. Ngeke ize iphele manje if ngixoxela yona. Kanti-ke nesikhathi sami sifishane. Ukwenza like indaba gogo. Ngabe konke kuhamba kahle. Then unengelosi is like, sazingani mntanam ngoba umsebenzi kaThixo ngeke wazi. Kodwa nje yinye nje into engiyifisayo mntanami, ukuthinta nje izizathu zabazukulu bami, ngize ngibanikeze izibusise njengogogo wabo. Hawu kodwa ungangijabulisa lokho. Ukwenza like, yeah, kulungile gogo, nathi singakuthokozela lokho. Ngizokwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi sihlangane. And then unengelosi is like, unengelosi then says, lalela-ke, uyigcine leyo namba yezwa. Utshela nabanye ukuthi ugogo uyawathanda. Hawu bakithi. And then ukwenza is like, yebo ngizowenza njalo gogo. And then that scene ends like that. Next scene we see ukwenza ngathi he left his flat, he went back kwaDlamini mansion. He is sitting noVusi noVusi and uwenzeni telling them that unengelosi called him. So once was like, as angazi wenzeni kodwa ngiyamfila, like we had some sort of connection naye. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi kuzomela ukuthi sihlangane naye, kuzomela ukuthi sihloniphe isicano sakhe. That's all I'm saying. uVusi like, so manje nifuna ukuthi senze njani? Ufuna ukuthi sibetray uma kwenzo? Ukwenza like, kahle Vusi, manje like suyisono sokuthi siyobona ugogo wethu. uVusi like, into engiyishoyo mina, uma ukubele wacaca ukuthi akafuni sisondele kuloyo muntu wesifazane. Uzothini if ugogo uyazenzisa ngayo yonke lento lena? Ukwenza that akazenzisi Vusi. What if ugogo ukwi-stage sabantu abadala webabona ukuthi insuku zabo zasemhlabeni is been limited or ziyabala, something like that. Uwenzeni like, hayi bo kanti sekayafa yini yena? And then wenza uzayikwazi bani wenzeni? Kodwa bafethu isalukazi sabantu, all she's asking for yikuthi asibone guys. Bafethu imagine nje ufuna ukusibamba njengezandla zakhe asinikeze izibusiso. Don't you feel like that is so beautiful? uVusi is like, hey angazi kwenzwa, mina angazi. Wenzeni is like, mina ngibona ngathi into right ke lena, ngiphakathi nje mina, count me in. uVusi then says, into engiyaziyo mina yikuthi uma izomphatha kabi lento if she finds out about this. Ukwenza is like, hayi nawe, hayi ngeke Vusi. And then uVusi is like, ufuna ngithini? I don't want to go against my mother's wishes. Ukwenza is like, kodwa Vusi. As he's saying kodwa Vusi, unjengaye walks in and he looks at them. He can see ukuthi whatever they're talking about is private. He's like, nikahle ni right? Uwenza is like, yeah, how baba, how asawazi nokuthi sincokole njengobhuti nosisi, yawu baba si right nje. And then unjengaye says ukuthi as long as nizokhumbula nje ukuthi above everything else, unto thy own self thou must always be true. Wenzeni is like, hayi baba ke ingathi soyangiconfuse ke manje. Unjengaye is like, into engiyithandayo ngathi ngalomndeni lo yikuthi siyakwazi ukuma silwe. Uyabona zingane zami, uma wenu uzonidinda kakhulu ke manje. She needs you to be her defense, nimseke, nibe yinsika yakhe ke. Ukwenzo is standing there and he's just rolling his eyes. And then unjengaye says ukuthi ngiqedile lapho ke. And then he whoops off. As he's walking off, uVusi then says ukuthi niyabona into bengiyisho. And then that scene ends, you guys. So next scene, uSibongile, she is in her room, guys. She is studying using her laptop. When she's studying, Uzama walks in and then she just puts a textbook on the table. Ushukuti, this was the textbook that Usibongile was tattering for yesterday that went missing. So Usibongile is like, how Zama uyitholephi? Uzama's like, uyabona-ke ukuthi wonke nje nomsindo that you were making izolo was for nothing. Some girl downstairs took this book by mistake or whatever, so nali-ke ibhuku lakho. uSibongile zathi ngiyabonga, Zama ima. So Zama's walking off and then uSibongile says Zama ima. Then uZama zathi, hayi man, like yini manje Sibongile? uSibongile zathi, Zama, ngiyabona ingathi khona into ekudlayo, yindaba. Do you want to talk about it? ulokhuzana uZama then says ukuthi hayibo sukela nini wena unendaba wena Sibongile? uSibongile zathi, Zama, Ginendaba, usufana nosisi wami phela. And then she holds Uzama's hands. And then she's like, khuluma ngiyacela. Uzama sathi ngempela. Then Uzama goes on to say, well, if you must know, cousin wam got diagnosed with terminal cancer. Una 16 uphela Sibongile. Usibongile zathi, hawe ma. Uzama zathi, yabona nje. And then they hug. And then Usibongile zathi, phephisa mnganami. Ngiyazi ukuthi umndeni wakho uthanda kangakanani. Uzama zathi, yonke nje lento ingenze ngabona ukuthi impilo imfishane kangakanani. And that we need to live our lives meaningfully and make every second count. As she's speaking like that, Usibongile's phone rings. Usibongile goes to the study desk and then she answers the phone and she's like, Kwenzo, ngizobuya ngikufonele. She hangs up. Who's Kwenzo on his side? He's like, Sibongile. Like Usibongile did not even give him a chance to answer or say anything. Undile is sitting there no Kwenzo. He's like, Hayibo. Wakuvala kabuhlungu kanje le ngane. Hayi boy. Ukwenza like, angazi mina. Undileza kuyabona-ke ukuthi kuyacaca-ke manje ukuthi lo muntu wakho shuthi uzihlalele nomuntu wakhe laphayana evasithi ulele naye embhedeni kumanje. Kahle ngiyacela mina Kwenzo. He goes on to say ukuthi ukujala ne-students kunjena-ke. Welcome boy, ziyabuya. Ukwenzo, guys, he looks like he wants to cry. He's looking worried there. Undile is like, hade boy, hade. Usibongile, that time, guys, she is comforting a friend. She's like, ngiyaxolisa mnganami, ngicela ukuthi sithathe umzuzu sithandaze kancane, and she starts praying and the scene ends like that. Yo, guys, yayibona miscommunication ukuthi like it goes such a long way because I mean the misunderstanding that's going on between Ukwenzo and Usibongile, this could even break their relationship, guys. Anyway, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.